I want to show you guys the newest NYX production. So NYX generally has a lot of factory case product. As you guys can see, this is all factory case concealer. This is also more concealer color corrector. Powder blush. This is a fairly simple product from NYX, but it's probably a product that everyone at some point in their lives has probably owned. Well, honestly, as you guys can see, this mix is almost entirely factory cased. This happens on occasion. This is not necessarily the way it always works out, but we're always very happy when it does work out like this. Yeah, I would say that this mix is honestly, this mix is maybe 95% factory case. So this is a factory case box. As you guys can see, there's 3 units of this product in this box. That box does not count as 1, it counts as 3.